So guys, we are going to be solving today's question with speed. So the question says that we should evaluate this complex product, that is 1 minus 1 over 2 square, or multiply by 1 minus 1 over 3 square, 1 minus 1 over 4 square, and so on up to our last thing, which is 1 minus 1 over 2016 all square. So if we observe here, guys, we notice that here we have 1 to be constant. Everywhere 1 is constant. In the numerator, we have 1 to be constant everywhere, as well as the sign is constant everywhere. So what do we see changing here? We see 2 from 2, 3, 4, 5. It means there are terms in between 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 2016. So what do? Let's express this in a more general form. So because this is a product, we're going to be using the product notation. That is, this will be the product of 2, and let's say n goes from 2, because our first term here in the denominator is 2. N goes from 2 to our last term 2016 of this one is constant minus this one is constant all over 2 square. But because 2 will be changing, so we represent this 2 by n all square. So this is the general form for this product. So we have the product from n equals 2 to 2016, or 1 minus 1 over n all square. Now let's dive in, guys. For this, we can multiply and find a common denominator. That is, we will have n square minus 1 all over n square. For this, just the inner part, this is what we will have. So expressing it on the product, we have the product from n equal 2 to 2016 of n square minus 1 all over n square. Are we following, guys? So this becomes very simple. The next thing we have to do is to factor the numerator of this expression. So this will just equals to the product from n is equal to 2 to 2016 of, we will factor this difference of 2 square, we have n minus 1 n plus 1, but all over n square. Are we following, guys? So let me get something out so that we can continue. So notice that we have the product from n equal 2 to 2016 of n minus 1 n plus 2 over n square. We can split this into 2 separate products. That is, we'll have the product from n is equal to 2 to 2016 of this, which is n minus 1. We divide this n square is equal to n times n. So we'll express this over n. We say times the product from n equal 2 to 2016 of this, which is n plus 1 over n. Are we there, guys? This is very simple. We're going to be evaluating each of the products separately. How are we going to do it? By substituting every value of n. If we take this first product, we know that if we plug in n is equal to 2, we'll have 2 minus 1 is 1 all over what? 2. If we plug in n equal 3 is 2 all over 3. And notice that if we plug in 4 as well, we'll have 3 all over 4. So the number up here is always 1 less than the number in the denominator. So this will be 4 over 5 times 5 over 6 times up to the last term of this. That is, we'll be plugging 2016, and 2016 minus 1 is 2015. But all divided by what? 2016. This is just for the first product. Let's put it in the parenthesis. It will come for the second product. It will plug in 2. This will be 3. All over 2 times. It will plug in 3. We're going to get 4. All over 3. So you notice that for this, the numerator will always be 1 more than the denominator. So we're going to get 5 or 4. And this will go on up to the last thing. If we plug in 2016, we're going to get 2017 all over. It will, and this is going to be 2016, and all in parentheses. So guys, this is very simple. If we observe this is a telescoping product. Telescoping product in a sense that this 2 cancel this 2, this 3 cancel this 3, this 4 cancel this 4, this 5 cancel this 5, and you'll notice that even this 6 will cancel a term. They're gonna go on until there's a term in here that is 2015. You're gonna cancel this 2015 that is up here. So for this side, we're just gonna have 1 all over what? 2016. This is our first term, guys. And for this, we're gonna notice that 3 gonna cancel 3, 4 gonna cancel 4, this 5 gonna cancel a value here up to the last term. We'll also notice that there's a 2016 up here that will cancel this 2016. So we'll only have 2017 up, and down we're gonna have 2. So if you observe, guys, so if you have been watching the video up to this time, I want to say thank you, and please subscribe on YouTube, please follow on Facebook and Instagram. Let's complete our solution. So you notice that after we simplify, we got our first product to be 1 all over 2016, all multiplied by 2017 over 2. This is from the second product. So this is just easy, guys. All we need to do now, we know that the product from n equal 2 to 2016 of 1 minus 1 over n squared would just be equals to 1 times 2017 is just 2017 all over 2016 times 2. This is going to give us 4032. So this is the unique value of this complex product. So thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, I am your good friend, brother GuruJoe. Thanks.